Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Hama Fit Pro application on our iPhone. In the app we need to tap on device, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the unbind button. Tap on it, tap on unbind again to confirm. Let's tap on confirm and close the app. After you close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. Check if you have watch 5910 on the list of devices. If you do, tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget this device. Tap on forget device. And now the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.